I'm Anushri Tambe from AP Shah Institute of Technology, working in Humanities and Applied Sciences Department. In the first video, I have used one case study regarding air pollution data. It is a visualization of air pollution data taken from a Kaggle. We can use such software like Tableau to identify the exact problem and its solution using data analysis. From the visualization, we can see that the RSPM level, which is really dangerous to human health, is increasing in India. We can use such software to find out the exact cause of environment related issues. While in a second video, we have seen the information about RSPM and SPM, which actually polluted air, and how it is dangerous to our health, and what are the precautions one should take to decrease such type of pollution. Main thing is, as an individual and citizen of India, we should start with ourselves to conserve our environment. From these videos, students will understand use of software in solving different environment related issues and to predict the result. They can find exact cause. Also, student will distinguish between RSPM and SPM, their hazardous effects on health, in order to identify the measures. Student will apply different techniques in order to prepare model which will help in environment sustainability. These techniques can be related to any software or any technology related model. Here is a list of ISO, IEEE industry standards or norms. IEEE ISO IES 21451. Under these norms, one can actually prepare an air quality monitoring system. ISO TC 146. These are standards for air quality. ISO 14064 is related to reporting of greenhouse gas emission removals and reduction. Also the verification and validation reports regarding greenhouse gases. ISO DIS 14404-4 is related to the calculation method of carbon dioxide emission intensity from iron and steel production. Then this is a graph of carbon emission or footprints. As I have used the software, I have taken into the consideration carbon footprint of ICT and data traffic development. So we can see the graph clearly. There is as such not very much increase in a carbon footprint level throughout the year. Regarding sustainability computation, as I have used a software is as such a lifelong sustainable if there are regular updates in it. Thank you.